Hey friends, welcome back. When first working with VI, you will get at a point where you want to close it. But how do you do this? It depends on whether you just want to close VI or whether you want to save or discard your changes when closing VI. To close VI, you have to be in command mode. Remember, you need to press escape to get there. You can watch this video about the modi in VI and how to switch between them. So, let's first open VI by opening my file. VI, my file, and there's the content we had last time. So the first thing is closing VI without saving. Let's assume we made some changes. And now I want to discard the changes. I will have to press :Q and hit enter. If I open my file again, you see that the content has not been changed. The next thing is closing VI and saving your changes. There are multiple ways to achieve this. So I will switch to insert mode, add a 1 here, press escape so I'm in command mode again. And when I press :WQ and hit enter, the file has changed. You see the 1 is still there. If I go now into insert mode again and press a 2, hit escape again, and then I can press :X, this will save my changes as well. When I open it again now, you see the 1 and the 2 are there. I can now switch back to insert mode again and press a 3, hit escape to go back to command mode. And when I now press Z 2 times, it's saving my changes and closing VI as well. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 now, prepended before the old content. So that's basically all you have to know about closing VI while saving or discarding your changes. Another thing I just quickly want to mention is that you obviously don't have to save and quit VI at the same time. When I go to insert mode now and press a 4, hit escape to be in command mode again. When I then press :W and hit enter, we saved the file, but we did not close VI. Okay, I think that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. When first working with VI, when first working with VI, when first working with